Sleep is one of the 4 pillars of health in Ayurveda, along with ahar, which is our diet, vihar, which is our lifestyle, and brahmacharya, how we manage our energy. And all of these affect each other. So having good quality sleep is extremely important. And someone was just asking me about dreams. What if we're dreaming a lot? Do we need to be analyzing them, or what's happening? And suggestion that I have is that you take some steps to not bring your day into your sleep. In other words, clear your energy before you go to sleep. Often we're attempting to process things in our sleep that we need to process on this level. And so then it disturbs the sleep when we don't get good, deep, restful sleep. And that restful sleep is for the mind and the body. So once you've let go of your day to go to bed, make sure that you're not reading in bed, right? We don't want to bring that energy into the bed. You can sit in a chair near the bed and make sure that if you are going to read anything before sleep, then it should be something of a spiritual nature, something peaceful. So clearing your energy before you go to sleep is very helpful. And then the other thing is to pay attention to what you're exposing yourself to. When we expose ourselves to things, we take it in. And watching the news might be something that you don't think of as, oh, that's a scary thing to watch. But most of it may be these days. So be very selective about what you choose to look at, to listen to smell, to taste, and to whatever you put on your skin. Oftentimes people who are having a lot of dreaming, particularly things that are scary for them, is because they watched a lot of movies or watched scary things on television growing up. So we can just undo that by clearing the energy. Using the intuitive energy practice to do that is very helpful. So when you're dreaming, then don't give it any more airtime. Let it pass. Sometimes there's a message, and when there's a message that we really need, it'll be very clear to you. Have a good restful snooze.